I'm going to scroll. Also guys, I'm fully healed. Why is Mr. Beast doing that? I got 100 million GWALALALALALALALALALA. I'm gonna do a 100 million Gualalala follower special. Ah, ah, ah. Why did my phone explode? Yummy. I'm a sweep. In VM it's boring.
Whee!
I'm going to use my magical powers to make a helicopter appear. Abracadabra en un momentum es wila envo los documentos para. Hello, take me for a ride.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Volcano. Oh sheep. Don't worry, I fixed it.
What is he doing with his helicopter? Like, why did it look like he was kissing it? I literally can't stay up here longer. I'm gonna barf. Lalalalinal, 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 lalalalinal.
I gotta blow up anyone up who's in my house.
Let me be in your video, Mr. Beast. You need me to Oh sheep.
Well, oddly satisfying. Okay, I'm here at the volcano. Ouchie whatchie.
Melon, you need to do your Japanese lesson.
I don't care, Duolingo. Okay, now I'm gonna jump. Anyways, so that's why you shouldn't jump into a volcano. I have nothing else to say, so bye guys.